In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access intelligent assistance. Then scroll all the way down one more time and tap on single hand mode. To activate it, tap on gray sweater next to one-handed operation. Then follow all of those instructions. Basically, you have to swipe left and right in the navigation area. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on blank area. To change placement of your screen, just swipe in the opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!